Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can see opened snaps again on a Snapchat. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, simply open your Snapchat, make sure that you're logged into your account just like this, and then from here we'll get to the chat. So right now here you can see this person has sent me 4 snaps. So if I simply tap on one just like this, I cannot reopen the same snap. So if I simply go to chat just like this, open my chat with that person, and in here if I simply press and hold on this particular snap, I can replay that. So what I'm trying to say is simply tap your finger on that snap and keep on holding just like this, and then we'll get the option of replay. So simply tap on replay and then tap on replay one more time, and here you can see now you can tap in order to view again. So I'm going to tap on it, and here you can see this is the same exact snap. So I'm going to tap on it, and now I cannot replay this anymore. If I do try to replay it, here you can see there is the option, but you need to buy the subscription of Snapchat in order to replay for the third time, right? So I'm going to show you guys again. So I'm going to open this particular snap. Here you can see this is the snap. I'm going to simply tap on it, get back, and then again I'm going to press on it and then tap on replay. And here you can see I can replay that. And here you can see this is the exact snap. And again, if I try for the third time, here you can see I can tap on the replay again option just like this, but I'll need to buy the subscription of Snapchat. And just like that, you'll be able to see open snaps again on a Snapchat. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.